Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been requesting: freelancing. Specifically, we're going to cover what freelancing is, and how you can get started with it in 2022, all in Urdu. Segment 1: What is freelancing? So, let's start with the basics. What is freelancing? Freelancing is basically working for yourself, instead of for a company. You can offer your skills and services to clients all over the world, and work from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Segment 2: Why freelancing? Now, you might be wondering, why should I become a freelancer? Well, there are a lot of benefits. For one, you get to be your own boss and set your own hours. You also have the freedom to choose the projects you work on, and the clients you work with. And of course, there's the potential to make a lot of money. Segment 3: Getting started with freelancing. So, how can you get started with freelancing? Well, the first thing you need to do is figure out what skills and services you can offer. Do you have a talent for graphic design? Are you a skilled writer? Can you do web development? Once you know what you're good at, you can start looking for clients who need those services. Segment 4: Finding clients. Finding clients can be the hardest part of freelancing, but there are a few strategies you can use. One is to join freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where clients can find you. Another is to reach out to potential clients directly, through social media or email. And finally, you can build a portfolio of your work and use it to showcase your skills and attract clients. Segment 5: Conclusion and Call to Action. So, there you have it, a brief overview of what freelancing is, and how you can get started with it in 2022. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if it has, please consider clicking the subscribe button below. That way, you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.